Time to save poppy seeds. Are you ready? All right, come help me. I'm gonna give you a little seed head and you're gonna put all the seeds in our little white dish. So once the poppies are done blooming, all you have to do is let the flower create the seed head. And in the center of the flower that bloomed are these seed heads, and they get big. And guess what's inside those little heads? Seeds. Right underneath here, I don't know if you can tell, I'm gonna try and break off this part. But they actually have little tiny openings right underneath that.
Mom.
Okay, hold on, Emma. And those holes right there, they just fall right out. It's kind of cool. All right, Emma, so I'm gonna snip you one quick. Hold on. Ready? So there's one. Guess how simple this is. What do we do to save those seeds? Can you show everybody? Wow, look how many come out. Pretty cool, huh?
I like it again.
You want to do it again? Good, because I have a ton of seed heads. And then you get your little baggies, which we labeled. These are those beautiful purple poppies that we grew. And we just pulled the plants out. Once they get a bunch of seed heads, they start to brown like that. And the seeds are ripe. So we're going to go ahead and snap off a couple more of these.
Yeah.
And we're going to save them for next year.